Government offices, local municipalities, and city, state, and federal government organizations, public and private facilities and spaces rely on Quench for our broad selection of filtered water dispensers and ice makers, sparkling water machines, and coffee brewers. Why Quench? Quench is the leading water-as-a-service solution provider to thousands of municipalities, city, state, and federal government facilities and organizations coast to coast. Government customers choose Quench as their preferred partner because of our dedication to hydration solutions, including point-of-use water coolers, sparkling water dispensers, ice machines, and coffee brewers, sustainable practices, and our convenient billing options. Quench offers a diverse variety of machines for all types of government buildings. Touchless filtered water coolers for clients and colleagues, water and ice dispensers for office kitchens and break rooms, sparkling water with or without added flavor for a healthy in-office experience, single-serve coffee brewers for meetings and busy staff, and our state-of-the-art filtration, which can reduce up to 99.9% of lead in water amongst other impurities like sediment and chlorine, and eliminate off-tastes and odors to provide clean, great-tasting water. In addition, only Quench offers mineral-infused and electrolyte-enhanced filtered drinking water with Quench Water Plus. Quench bottleless water coolers and ice machines use industry-leading filtration, touchless sensor dispensing, LED UV technology, and antimicrobial surface protection to ensure great-tasting water and ice with every dispense, no matter how busy your facilities. As the needs for an eco-friendlier world increase, Quench makes it easy for government entities to subscribe to the Federal Green Challenge. By significantly reducing single-use plastic waste and your ecological footprint without adding to the budget, Quench bottleless water coolers can save 7,000 plus single-use plastic bottles from ending up in landfills or our oceans each year. Switching to Quench has the potential to reduce around 95% fewer tons of CO2 emissions each year. Quench goes the extra mile to ensure that we understand the requirements that your facility, staff, and visitors need. Plus, our bottleless water coolers can save you time, money, and effort. Are you interested in finding out more? Talk to a government services water expert today or learn more at quenchwater.com.